In this video, we're going over how to tire flip. Stand with your feet wider than hip width and right up to the tire. Get your fingers under the tire and lock your arms with a slight bend in the elbows. Brace this position while doing a deadlift movement while pushing forward. Use the momentum from your legs to change the position of your hands. Try not to bicep curl the tire, this can lead to bicep tears. Remember to keep a braced core and straight spine. You need to generate as much force as possible from the hip hinge. Your glutes, hamstrings and core should be working the hardest. Your grip strength will also be tested.